In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really easy origami sailboat. And yeah, and it does stand. See? Like that. Alright, ready, set, here goes. So this is a simple Sunday tutorial. So for this model, you can use any square of paper to fold this. I'm going to use a 16 square of common. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. Okay, and now fold both of the bottom corners to the top. Okay, like this. And now turn over and fold both of these raw corners to the top. Okay, and now turn back over, and I don't think it matters which point. We're gonna fold one of these points to the bottom, and I think whatever side you do it on depends on the direction of the sailboat. So I'm gonna fold this right corner down to the bottom. All right, just like this. And now stay on this side with the vertical line and take this corner on all layers and fold them to that point. Here, I'll zoom in so you can see this. Like that. And now turn over, and there is the sailboat. And yeah, it's just that easy. And to make it stand, you just unfold this flap, and you can make it like about a 90-degree angle right there, and just place it on a table. And it stands really nicely just like this. And here I also designed today. This is origami water, and you can put it behind the water like this. See, and it's a sailboat on water. Yeah, but this is water I just designed today. I don't really know if I'll make a tutorial for this, but if you guys want me to, I might. But yeah, so there's the sailboat. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.